Sometimes the best adventures start where the pavement ends. Honda's legendary XL series is back, and the 2026 XL250 promises to be the ultimate dual sport companion for riders who refuse to choose between road and trail. Can it live up to its iconic nameplate? Let's dive in. This is Next Gen Reviews. Design. The XL250 embraces its dual sport heritage with purposeful, adventure-ready styling. The tall windscreen and upright seating position prioritize function over flash, while the rugged plastic bodywork can handle the inevitable drops and scrapes. Honda kept the design clean and practical, with a narrow profile that makes standing on the pegs comfortable during off-road sections. The dual sport tires on aluminum rims strike a balance between on-road stability and off-road capability. Color options include extreme red and pearl white, both accented with classic Honda wing logos. The skid plate and handguards come standard, showing Honda understands how this bike will be used. Performance. The air-cooled 249cc single-cylinder engine delivers a reliable 22 horsepower and 14 pound-feet of torque. These numbers prioritize reliability and fuel efficiency over outright power, which makes perfect sense for a dual sport. The 5-speed transmission offers well-spaced gears for both highway cruising and technical trail riding. Tipping the scales at just 298 pounds dry, the XL250 feels manageable for riders of all experience levels. The lightweight chassis and low center of gravity inspire confidence on loose surfaces, while the compliant suspension soaks up rough terrain without feeling wallowy on pavement. Features and technology. Honda kept technology simple and rider-focused on the XL250. The analog-digital combination instrument cluster provides all necessary information without unnecessary complexity. A prominent fuel gauge is especially welcome, given the adventure touring potential. The long travel suspension features 8 inches of travel front and rear, ready for serious off-road work. The sealed battery and robust electrical system ensure reliability in all conditions. With an impressive fuel capacity and legendary Honda reliability, the XL250 is built for going the distance. Conclusion. The 2026 Honda XL250 proves that adventure doesn't require a massive engine or complicated electronics. Would this be your ideal dual sport, or are you looking for more power? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If this review was helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow adventure riders. Subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for honest motorcycle reviews, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. Keep exploring and ride safe.